If you're experiencing crashing issues with your Steam Deck, calibrating it can help improve performance and stability. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Step 1. Check for software updates. Ensure your Steam Deck is running the latest software version. Go to Settings, select System, and check for any available updates. Installing updates can fix bugs and improve system stability. Step 2. Verify game files. If the crashes occur while playing specific games, verify the integrity of the game files. Open your Steam library, right-click on the game, select Properties, go to the Local Files tab, and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This process will fix any corrupted files. Step 3. Adjust graphics settings. Lowering the graphics settings in your games can help reduce the strain on your Steam Deck. Access the game settings and adjust options like resolution, texture quality, and effects to see if this alleviates the crashing issue. Step 4. Monitor temperature. Overheating can cause crashes. Use the temperature monitoring tool to check the device's temperature. If it's running hot, ensure proper ventilation and consider using a cooling pad to help regulate the temperature. Step 5. Reset to factory settings. If the problem persists, consider resetting your Steam Deck to factory settings. Back up your data first, then go to Settings, select System, and choose the option to reset. This will restore the device to its original state and may resolve any underlying issues. By following these steps, you should be able to address the crashing issues on your Steam Deck effectively. If problems continue, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.